How to find and delete the spying apps on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can find out and delete the spying apps on any iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so a hacker can actually use your microphone, camera, and they can share your screen in order to see whatever you're doing on your iPhone just by using a third-party malware or spying apps. Now here in this video, I'll show you a couple of ways of how you can find out and delete those spying apps from your iPhone. So let's get started. Well, so the very first thing that you can do, you just need to look at your hidden application. On the iPhone, you just need to go to the app library right over here and then scroll down to the very bottom and you'll get to see the hidden option. You just need to tap on this one and it will record your Face ID and it's going to immediately show you all the app that is being hidden from your iPhone. So here, if you found any suspicious app that you don't use on your iPhone, but it is still there, then this app can be suspicious. You can simply go ahead and press and hold the application from here and you can actually delete the application. And the second thing that you can do, you actually need to check out your settings. Open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down, tap on general, and then go ahead and tap on iPhone storage and he'll get to see all the app that you have installed on your iPhone. So you just need to look at that, is there any suspicious app has been installed on your iPhone or not. You can actually look at this one, but there is a best way to find out the suspicious app is you just need to check out your battery section. Just get back to the main settings of your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on battery, and under the battery he'll get to see all the app that is actually consuming your battery by percentage right over here. So you just need to look at that. If there is any suspicious app that is actually consuming too much battery but you don't use on your iPhone or you don't know about, if you found any apps that is consuming too much battery but you don't use, then immediately go ahead and delete the application from here. You can tap on this one or you can go to the general once again and go to the iPhone storage once again, and from here you just need to search the application name and delete it from your iPhone. But there is another thing you can do. You can get back to the main settings once again and then scroll down and tap on privacy and security and tap on location services, and you'll get to see all the app that is actually using your iPhone location. Hackers can actually use any third-party apps in order to see your location as well. So you can actually look at that, is there any apps that you don't use but using the location like it says while using the app, or while using the apps or website, whatever it is. You can actually come to the app and you can select the never option from here in order to stop sharing your location to that specific application. But there's another thing you just need to keep in mind, that some spying apps cannot be deleted, name can be different, and even it's not appear on your iPhone as well. So in case if you are too much confused that your iPhone has been hacked or someone is actually watching whatever you're doing, then the best way that you can take it, actually you can reset your iPhone to the factory settings. All you can do, you can come to the settings of your iPhone again and then scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, and you can go through the erase all content and settings process. But make sure this will actually factory reset all your iPhone, and your photos, videos, document, and anything you have will be deleted and your iPhone will rise up as new. And this is how you can find out and delete the spying apps on your iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.